Did you know there's a demon in Japan who disguises herself as an old woman? They call her ONI Baba. They say she waits in empty villages, her voice soft, her smile kind, but inside her hut, no one ever comes back out the same. One stormy night, a young traveller found her house. She offered him soup and a bed for the night. But before he slept, she whispered, "Just don't open the back door." At midnight, he heard moaning. He peeked through the crack. Bodies hung like cloth, their skin being sewn together. He ran, but she was already there. No eyes, teeth up to her cheeks. They say he escaped, but went mad. And to this day, he screams whenever he sees an old woman. "Don't sew me."